Hi, it's your girl D back with a much desired quarterly update. I wanted to introduce you guys to the house, to give you the original house tour pre-renovations. This is the living room area and this is the bathroom area. As you can see, it was definitely in need of updates. So this is the current bathroom. As you can see, it is outdated. Yeah. And it's just, so my plan is to make this into a standing shower all the way down. And of course, as I go through the renovation process, I'll show you guys more than that. Here is a floor heater that is now outdated, out of code. So I'm gonna have to get them to do that. And this over here is going to be my primary bedroom. It's the smaller out the two, but it's further in the back of the house. And so I'm hoping that means it'd be quieter in here. And I don't know if you guys can tell from the walls, but like I hate these texture on these walls. And as I go through the renovation process, I'll explain more to you with one of the issues I've been running into with contractors is because these walls are considered Latin plaster. And I don't know if anybody out there has had this, or if you also too have lived in or bought a home that was created in the 1920s, but Latin plaster is what they used before drywall, and apparently it's a pain in the you-know-what for construction workers. So this is the kitchen, and this is kind of like the funkiest little thing. Like, I don't know if this is supposed to be an island. It's just awkward. But I love the neighborhood. I love the Spanish style. But as you can see, this definitely is a fixer-upper. So yeah, so here is the intro. One of the things I want to have done is extend this archway that leads from the kitchen to the living room so I can get the feeling of more space. These floors are hardwood. As you can tell, they're not original hardwood and they're not really up to date. And I am not a fan of that at all. So, but yeah, this is the home. This is the new home that I have purchased. And so this is going to be one of my biggest, not true DIY, but my true project that is coming. So thank you guys all for your well wishes and prayers. And so thank you for joining me as I continue this journey into home ownership.